Ever wondered if AI processors are truly the quantum leap they're touted to be, or is it all just hype? In the ever-evolving tech landscape, AI processors have emerged as the new kid on the block, promising to revolutionize the way we compute. They've been hailed as the superior successors to traditional processors, boasting unmatched speed and efficiency. But is it all as rosy as it seems? You might have heard some claims about these shiny new toys. They're believed to outshine traditional processors in every aspect, from speed to power consumption. They're also thought to be incredibly complex, with intricate architectures that only the most seasoned tech enthusiasts can comprehend. And then there's the notion that AI processors are reserved for high-tech computations, far removed from the everyday tasks of the average user. So are these beliefs founded on solid ground, or are they mere myths? Let's delve deeper. It's time to separate fact from fiction when it comes to AI processors. Let's start with a common myth. AI processors are superior in all aspects. While AI processors are indeed powerful, they are not necessarily superior across the board. They're designed to excel in specific tasks, particularly those involving massive amounts of data. However, for tasks that don't require this kind of data handling, traditional processors can often perform just as well, if not better. Next up is the myth that AI processors are incomprehensible or overly complex. Yes, they are intricate pieces of technology, but that doesn't make them inaccessible. With advancements in technology, understanding and using AI processors is becoming less of a hurdle. There are many resources available today that can help one familiarize themselves with the inner workings of these processors. So while they may be complex, they are by no means incomprehensible. And the final myth we'll tackle today is the notion that AI processors are